So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason a part of your iPhone screen is just not working, and you might be trying to figure out a way to fix this. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is that within your display, there's multiple different parts of your display that are basically going on at the same time. So you can see right here you have the bottom part, top part, whatever. Now, if you recently just tossed your phone, you threw your phone, or for some reason your phone's broken or whatever the case is, there can be a lot of issues that you may have just within this in and of itself. So the very first thing to keep in mind here is, one, if you recently dropped your phone or broke it or anything like that, the only way to fix it for the most part is by going through and getting your display replaced. So you can go ahead and take your iPhone into the Apple Store, take it into somewhere, maybe like an Apple authorized seller, even a third party, fixer-upper, and go and have them repair the display. Now, if that doesn't happen, or if it was working and then recently something just changed on your iPhone and now it's not working, the next best thing you can basically do now, as of this point, is to basically go through and to restart your particular iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, the volume up and the power button, side button right here, and all you want to do is slide the power off. And for a lot of people, all you're going to have to do is slide that thing to power off, and that is basically all you're going to have to do. Now, for some reason you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing for the most part is to try updating your iPhone as well. So you can try going through here, coming into your settings application, which is right over here. And then what you want to do here is clicking into general, click into software update, and all you're going to want to do here is just go ahead and see if there's an update available for your iPhone, which chances are there may actually be an update available. And all you're going to have to do here, again, is to literally just update your particular iPhone as of this point. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which, like I said before, for vast majority of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.